In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to remove payment method on PS5. In order to remove payment method on PS5, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So it's a very simple procedure. First thing first, to remove it, so from the PS5 home screen, navigate to settings icon or the cogwheel. After which, you simply want to scroll down and select users and account, or go to account information. When you go to the account info section, then you simply want to select account, and next you simply want to go ahead and look for payment and subscriptions or wallet. After you've actually done it, so what you want to do is then you'll be able to see the payment method, and what you have to do is you want to select the default payment method that you wish to remove. As you do it, so or as you are taken to the info section, you will then be able to see this remove this payment method, or click on delete and go ahead and confirm it. So, and once you're done confirming, with that being said, you'll have successfully removed a payment method on PS5. That is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.